So for this question, basically what we want to do is we want to factorize the following expression. Okay, so we are asked to look at, if you take a look at this term, right? Okay, I mean this is change one, so you are looking at taking out a common factor, which is to find the HCF between both terms, right? And to bring it outside to the bracket. Okay, so that essentially is what factorization is all about. And if you look at this, right, you observe that for both terms, right, they actually have a common factor, which is 2p minus 3 and 2p minus 3. So this is actually the common factor between both your terms. So when we do factorization, remember that factorization is to leave your answer as a product of all the terms, right? So 2p minus 3 is the question that we are going to, is the term that we're going to put it outside. Okay, so this is what is factorization is all about. So if I were to remove 2p minus 3 and to put it outside, I'm going to write 2p minus 3 here. This is my factor. You can see that what am I left with is I'm left with 3q plus 7. So again, we are doing like the reverse of expansion, right? So what am I left with is, if I remove, so-called put the 2p minus 3 outside, you can see that I'm left with a 3q inside. This is like as though, if we were to do expansion, you would have 2p minus 3 multiplied by 3q. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay. And similarly, there is a plus. There's a plus, right? So this plus, I'm going to write it here. There's a 7, and this 7 is going to be here as well. Okay? And this is the answer for this question. So of course, you check that there's no other ways. I mean, between each two terms, there must be no other factors in common. If it is fully factorized, then this is the answer that we're looking for. Okay? Thank you.